Hey there, and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're tackling a question I get asked all the time. Can I download Asana for free? You've probably heard of Asana, the popular project management tool that's been helping teams of all sizes stay organized and efficient. But before you dive in and start creating tasks and projects, it's important to understand the pricing structure. So let's get right into it. Can you download Asana for free? Well, the short answer is free trial and basic plan. While Asana doesn't offer a completely free version, they do provide a generous free trial. This allows you to explore the platform, test its features, and see if it's a good fit for your needs. Once the trial period is over, you'll need to choose a paid plan. Asana offers a few different options, each with its own set of features and pricing. The most basic plan, called Asana Premium, is a great starting point for individuals and small teams. Asana Premium features. Let's take a closer look at what Asana Premium has to offer. This plan includes features like custom fields. Create custom fields to track specific information about your tasks and projects. Advanced search. Use advanced search filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Time tracking. Track the time spent on tasks to improve your productivity. Unlimited guests. Invite unlimited guests to your projects without them needing an Asana account. Portfolios. Create portfolios to organize and share multiple projects. Rules. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows. As you can see, Asana Premium offers a solid set of features for individuals and small teams. But if you need more advanced capabilities, you may need to consider one of Asana's higher-tier plans. Asana Business and Enterprise Plans. Asana Business and Enterprise Plans are designed for larger teams and organizations with more complex needs. These plans include features like team management, manage team memberships, permissions, and workflows. Advanced analytics. Get insights into your team's performance and productivity. Integration with other tools. Connect Asana to other tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft 365. Customizable branding. Customize Asana to match your company's branding. Priority support. Get priority support from Asana's customer success team. Choosing the right plan. So, which Asana plan is right for you? The best way to decide is to assess your team's needs and budget. If you're a solopreneur or working in a small team, Asana Premium may be all you need. But if you're part of a larger organization with complex workflows, you may need to consider a higher-tier plan. It's also worth noting that Asana offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on all paid plans. This gives you plenty of time to try out the platform and see if it meets your expectations. Additional considerations. Before you make a decision, there are a few other things to consider. Your budget. Asana's pricing can vary depending on the number of users and features you need. Your team's needs. Consider the specific features and capabilities that your team requires. Integration with other tools. If you use other tools like Slack or Google Workspace, make sure Asana integrates seamlessly. User experience. Try out Asana's free trial to see if you like the user interface and workflow. So, can you download Asana for free? While you can't get a completely free version, you can try it out with a free trial. Once the trial is over, you'll need to choose a paid plan that best suits your needs and budget. Remember to carefully consider your team's needs and budget before making a decision. And don't forget about Asana's 30-day money-back guarantee. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.